This video breaks down all the major tenses, from simple present to future perfect, with easy-to-understand explanations and real-life examples. You'll finally understand when to use each tense and speak English with confidence. Let's start.
I write a letter. I write a letter. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. I will write a letter. I will write a letter. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. I was writing a letter. I was writing a letter. I will be writing a letter. I will be writing a letter. I have written a letter. I have written a letter.
I had written a letter. I had written a letter.
I will have written a letter. I will have written a letter. I have been writing a letter. I have been writing a letter. I had been writing a letter. I had been writing a letter. I will have been writing a letter. I will have been writing a letter. He plays soccer. He plays soccer. He played soccer. He played soccer. He will play soccer. He will play soccer. He is playing soccer. He is playing soccer. He was playing soccer. He was playing soccer. He will be playing soccer. He will be playing soccer. He have played soccer. He have played soccer. He had played soccer. He had played soccer. He will have played soccer. He will have played soccer. He have been playing soccer. He have been playing soccer. He had been playing soccer. He had been playing soccer. He will have been playing soccer. He will have been playing soccer.
She cooks lunch. She cooks lunch. She cooked lunch. She cooked lunch. She will cook lunch. She will cook lunch. She is cooking lunch. She is cooking lunch. She was cooking lunch. She was cooking lunch. She will be cooking lunch. She will be cooking lunch. She has cooked lunch. She has cooked lunch. She had cooked lunch. She had cooked lunch. She will have cooked lunch. She will have cooked lunch. She have been cooking lunch. She have been cooking lunch. She had been cooking lunch. She had been cooking lunch. She will have been cooking lunch. She will have been cooking lunch.
They run a race. They run a race. They ran a race. They ran a race. They will run a race. They will run a race. They are running a race. They are running a race. They were running a race. They were running a race. They will be running a race. They will be running a race. They have run 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 a race. They will have run a race. They will have run a race. They have been running a race. They have been running a race. They had been running a race. They had been running a race. They will have been running a race. They will have been running a race. You eat dinner. You eat dinner. You ate dinner. You ate dinner. You will eat dinner. You will eat dinner. You are eating dinner. You are eating dinner. You were eating dinner. You were eating dinner. You will be eating dinner. You will be eating dinner. You have eaten dinner. You have eaten dinner. You had eaten dinner. You had eaten dinner. You will have eaten dinner. You will have eaten dinner. You have been eating dinner. You have been eating dinner. You had been eating dinner. You had been eating dinner. You will have been eating dinner. You will have been eating dinner. We listen music. We listen music. We listened music. We listened music. We will listen music. We will listen music. We are listening music. We are listening music. We were listening music. We were listening music. We will be listening music. We will be listening music. We have listened music. We have listened music. We had listened music. We had listened music. We will have listened music. We will have listened music. We have been listening music. We have been listening music. We had been listening music. We had been listening music. We will have been listening music. We will have been listening music.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos.